And hi everyone, this is me Racing Wolf and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I continue my racing triple experience at Knockhill racing circuit, and today we're having this amazing beauty and this car called Legends. You know what, I filmed a little bit about them at Cadwell Park, and I was so impressed. So when I saw this opportunity at Knockhill circuit, when I saw this opportunity to drive them, I was like, you know what, I definitely gonna do that. Guys, let me quickly tell you a little bit about this car. This has a motorbike engine, 4-cylinder engine. It has a sequential gearbox because it's a motorbike gearbox, I think, and it has a rear-wheel drive, and I think it's a log diff. It has a differential, but it's locked, so basically it's gonna be the same like a go-kart. So guys, I'm not gonna talk a lot. You know what? Let's jump into this car and just let's enjoy this on-board footage of my racing experience.
I feel so small. You can't drive this car like this! Seriously! You need to be quicker! Come on, mate. Just move a little bit. Woo! This is the Aston Martin.
And for sure, just for sure, we're back in the pit lane. It's becoming a bit rainy, so I think I have to slow down a little bit on the track. But let me just quickly. This is a motorbike engine. This is a tweet four-cylinder. It's a four-cylinder bike engine, but it's crazy. It's so powerful. The other thing which I like the gearbox. Look at that lever, yeah? That lever. So you're going down if you wanna from the highest shift into the lowest, and you're going up if you wanna from the lowest shift into the highest. And it's brilliant. But you know what? Before you're driving, listen to the instructor very carefully about this gearbox, because there is a few important bits about the gearbox. If you can't catch the gear, what you need to do. Guys, this has a differential, but it's a lot. And honestly, when I'm going down the hill, I've noticed that on the third gear I can go like round the corner more precise, more quicker, but it's sliding. It's so sliding. I don't think that you can see it on my track cameras, but it's really sliding. And look at these wheels. Oh my god, I lost the car twice. I mean, I lost it and I catch it quickly, you know. It wasn't that difficult, but it was scary. It was really scary, guys. I don't know what is the capacity of the engine, but I think we spoke about it at the carnival park. And guys, this is it. I love these cars. I love all these legend cars. I love that. You know what? Let's go back on the track.
I'm loving it!
what an amazing car. What an amazing experience. This was my last car from this experience, and I'm really hoping that you love this experience, you love these videos. I put all the cars separate because I wanted to show you legends and the single seaters and a little bit of Civic. Yeah, we had only 4 laps, but we still had them on a video. I wanted to put them separate to have, for each car, different emotions, because when I put them together I think it will mix up all the emotions. Yeah, so guys, as usually, in the comments tell me what you think about it, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, because you definitely like this experience, definitely. And guys, share the video with your friends, parents, whoever. Yeah, if you parent, share it with a kid. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and this is what the last car in a brave project. Unfortunately last, I so love it, but we're still gonna come back to Knockhill. Definitely. Thank you very much for watching, and as usual, I'll see you in the next video. See ya!